Hello, sunshine. So, we've been talking about long and short. We've been talking about long and short. We've been talking about long and short. And one animal that loves to make long and short sounds is my dog. Looks like that guy right here. We need a scarf, or a really good thing that's a lot like this is like a grocery bag, because when you throw it up it kind of catches a little bit. If you got a real thin shirt that's kind of like this, made out of like sheer, that's also a good thing. So if you want to pause the video and go get you something to throw around, go do that now. Okay, unpause the video. All right, so the first sound that my dog likes to make is short, and it sounds like this. Can you make that sound? Ready? Do it again, ready? It's short, and he does it over and over again, and it sounds like this. Can you make your, it's kind of like we're painting the sound. You want to go, like just touch it. Can you do it? Ready? Now, if it was a big dog, it would sound like this. It's still a short sound, even though it's deep. Ready, tread, ready. Now, can you do it with your scarf? Ready? Good job. Another sound he likes to make is long, and it sounds like this. It's really long. Can you measure it with me? Ready? Big breath. Now get your scarf. We're going to move it long and smooth. Let me back up so you can see me. Here we go. Ready? Very nice. Another short sound that he likes to make sounds like this. Is when he's hot. He goes, can you measure it with me? Ready? Short. Ready? Do it again. And he goes, pretend this is your doggy tongue. And we're going to pant. Ready? It's so hot. Oh my goodness. Short sounds. There's one more sound he likes to make, and it's when he's sad. It's really long. It sounds like this. Can you do that with me? Ready? It's a long sound. All right, get your scarf. Here we go. Nice. Oh, there's somebody at the door. Bad dog. It's hot. Oh, there's the moon. Howl. Oh! Somebody's at the door. Bad dog. It's hot, hot. There's the moon. Awesome job. We'll see you later.